Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you a Tibetan recipe that is Thukpa, which is very famous in Himalayan region like Nepal, Bhutan, Sikkim, and also in the northeast region of our country. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now let's jump into the recipe of making chicken thukpa. For that, here I am boiling up 3 to 4 cups spoon of salt in there. Now I have added 100 grams of noodles. So first we're going to boil up some noodles, and within like 15 minutes my noodles are done. It's going to be al dente. That means we're not going to make it too soggy. After that I'm going to strain it and rinse it with some cool water and drizzle some oil. Next I'm going to make the soup for the thukpa. So for making thukpa you need two things. First the base noodles and then the soup. These two things together make the dish. So here I have heated up some oil. Now I'm going to fry some egg. It's very easy to make with very healthy vegetables and ingredients. It's very comforting food during rainy season or in winter or any other time. If you are craving for soup, this is the perfect thing to have as a meal. So our fried egg or omelette is ready. Now in the same pan I'm going to add some more oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil more, and you can use butter or you can use less oil if you want, or you can make the soup without any oil as well. It's up to you. Now I'm going to fry up some chicken. Here I have taken 100 grams of chicken, which I have cut into very small pieces, very small dices like this, and on high flame I'm going to cook them for a minute or so, and they will turn white within no time. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon or so, and fry them. So they are done. Now I'm going to add onion. Here I have taken 1 medium onion and slice it like this. In this case of this thukpa, we are going to cut the vegetable in juliennes or sliced. Next goes in grated garlic, 1.5 teaspoon, and grated ginger, 1.5 teaspoon as well, and I'm going to fry them as well. And over medium flame I'm frying them. We're not going to caramelize them, we'll just lightly toss them so that the raw smell of the onion, garlic and ginger goes away. That's it. We're not going to overcook them. Next I'm going to add carrot. Here I have taken a medium sized carrot and cut them into very thin juliennes. Next goes in capsicum. Half of a capsicum here I have cut very thinly, which we call juliennes. In case of this thukpa, the vegetables should stay crunchy, so we are not going to overcook them. Next goes in green chilies. I have added 3 to 4 green chilies chopped. Next goes in 1 cup of shredded cabbage, thinly sliced. Then goes some tomatoes. Here I have taken 1 medium sized tomatoes, de-seeded them, removed all the seeds and just cut the flesh and mix it and cook it till the cabbage tilts down a bit. Then I'm going to add some red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon, and some black pepper powder. Because it's a soup that is taken or eaten in the coldest part of our country generally, so they use more chili, so you can lessen the amount of chili according to your taste. Mix it. Next goes 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix again. Then I'm going to add some salt. Already I have added salt, and the sauce also contains some salt, so use the salt wisely, don't overuse it. Next I'm going to add some spring onion white parts. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of spring onion whites chopped. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock, don't worry, just use plain normal water. That's it. Let it come to boil over high flame. Now it's simmering up. I'm going to add chopped coriander. It took like 5 minutes to get into this stage from after adding the water. So after adding water on high flame, you need to cook it for 5 minutes, and that's it. Now final touch, that is lemon, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. That's it. Within 15 minutes the thukpa will be done, if your noodles is cooked already. It's very easy to make, yet very delicious and healthy and comforting. Now assembling time. We need to assemble the thukpa. For that, first we are going to make a base of boiled noodles. Next, over that we are going to add the vegetables first, generous amount of vegetables, and then top it off with the soup. Then I'm going to garnish it or top it with some sliced onion, and the omelette I have cut down in these stripes, and some spring onion greens, and finally some fresh coriander leaves. That's it. Now your thukpa is ready to serve. Serve it hot, piping hot, as hot as you can serve, and trust me, this bowl of goodness is going to impress your family, friends, and for yourself. You can also make it and enjoy. And don't forget to like, share and comment.